If you've been looking for the best in lightweight, race-bred hardtails, your search is over. With its light, agile and responsive C62 carbon frameset and completely uncompromising component selection, the Reaction C62 SLT is the bike to head up your race machine wish list. The boost rear end, tapered head tube and carefully profiled top and down tubes work together to deliver exceptional torsional rigidity for more accurate steering and efficient power transfer. But refined frame details and responsive geometry aren't enough on their own. We know that you also need components that won't let you down. That's why we selected only the best of the best for this speed machine. From SRAM's X01 1x12 Eagle transmission to the Magura MT8 Pro hydraulic disc brakes, Newman wheelset and RockShox SID Ultimate fork, we simply gave our product managers free rein to make the right choices.